Hi, I'm Erica from Threads magazine. Decorative pillows are a great way to jazz up any living space. I'll show you how to make a quick and easy version. These pillows have a lapped back, which means it's easy to remove the form when you need to clean the cover, and there's no messing around with zippers. The process is similar for making a faux fur version, with a few adjustments for good results. Home decor fabrics are great for making pillows, as they have enough body to stand up to plenty of wear and come in many colors and styles. First, note the size of your pillow form. For this pillow, I'm using an 18-inch square form. If you don't know the dimensions of your form, measure along the flat edge. To make a snug pillow cover, cut the front square half an inch larger on each side than the form. In this case, for an 18-inch square form, I cut a 19-inch square front. Cut the pillow back 1 inch longer and 9 inches wider than the pillow form. For this form, I cut the back 19 inches long and 27 inches wide. The next step is to hem the short edges of the pillow back. Turn 3/8 inch to the wrong side and press, then stitch 1/4 inch from the fold. Then turn 1.5 inches to the wrong side and press. Sew along the previous stitching line and repeat on the other end. This step may seem odd, but stay with me. Cut the pillow back in half parallel to the hemmed ends. Lap the back pieces, wrong sides up, on top of the pillow front's right side, with the hemmed edges in the center, matching the dimensions. Pin the lapped pillow back to the pillow front right sides together. Sew around all 4 edges using a 1/2 inch wide seam allowance. A straight stitch between 2 and 3 millimeters long is appropriate. There's no need to leave an opening to turn the pillow cover. Clip and grade the corners to ensure a crisp result. Then turn the pillow right side out through the lapped opening. Insert the pillow form and adjust it until it fits nicely in the cover. Voila! The process is similar for making a pillow with faux fur, with a few adjustments for good results. Again, it all starts with your pillow form. For this version, I'm using a 24-inch square form. Cut the pillow front 1 inch larger on all sides than the form. The extra width provides a bit more ease, which makes the pillow soft and luxurious. I've cut my front 26 inches square for this form. Then, cut the pillow back 2 inches taller and 9 inches wider than the form. In this case, the back is 26 inches long and 33 inches wide. Hem the short ends of the pillow back following the same method as before. Then cut the back in half. Lap the back pieces so they are the same width as the front. Then pin the pillow front and back together. You don't need to trim the faux fur from a pillow's seam allowances, as bulk is not an issue. Sew around all 4 sides using a 3 millimeter long straight stitch. Trim and grade the corners. Then, turn the pillow cover right side out and comb any fur out of the seam. A clean fork is great for this. Run a single tine along the seam line to draw the fur out of the stitching. Insert the pillow form and fluff until it fits properly. And you're done! Make more pillows in a variety of fabrics for a super cozy environment. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more sewing techniques and project videos. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we post new content.